Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Let me fix my camera here. There we go. Welcome back to LGS. I was so excited when I went to the mail today and I got my Knotty Knickers. For those of you who don't know, Knotty Knickers is a panty subscription. You can get this in the US and Canada. I pay, I think it's $12.46 every month for 3 pairs of panties. When you go on their website, and I'll leave the link down below, you can get, they have socks, they have little bralette sets. I get the, I always forget. The nice. I get the nice package, which is, just regular pairs underwear. You'll see it in a minute. You can also get the naughty and nice, which is regular panties as well as thongs, or you can get the naughty package, which is thongs. And I think for a subscription, you got to get at least 3, I believe. But then you can put as many, I believe, or you go like 3 or 6 or maybe 3 or 4. I'm not sure. But I know for 3 pairs, I pay $12.46. Canadian, taxes, delivery, all of that every month. And I get my 3 pairs of Knotty Knickers. I've been with this subscription now, I think it's almost a year. I love this. And I always say it all the time. As moms, the only time I would ever get panties, legit, would be Christmas time when my mom would send it up. Because, most times we just forget about ourselves, right? So this is a cute way of not even thinking about it. You're getting it, 3 pairs of panties. And now, like, I have so many cute pairs of panties now. It's awesome, Oh my God, they're so cute. I'm looking at them going, they're so cute. All right, so this is Christmas. These are the Christmas panties. And I open up my first pair, and just an FYI, if you're new, you open it up on the bottom. It says Knotty Knickers, get naughty, which is awesome. These are so cute. They are so cute and Christmassy. So my first pair of Christmas panties, aren't they sweet? They are adorable. And I also want to say, I get asked this all the time, the quality is really, really, really good. They are really good quality panties. I've been getting them now, like I said, almost a year. I've never had any issues. I did go up a size. You can do that, if you order your first month and you think, oh, you might need a bigger size or go down a smaller size. Just email them, let them know, and they will fix that for your next month. I think their customer service is great. They've been wonderful. I've never had any issues. And again, how cute is that? How cute is that? That is so cute. So that's my first pair. And I was wondering, like, I totally forgot, and I'm like, oh, well, maybe the ones I got in November, at the end of November, was Christmas. But these are the Christmas ones. And, oh, I love these. These are so cute. I like cotton. I don't usually wear thongs. I guess all depends on the outfit that I'm wearing or something like that. But I'm a girl who likes comfort and, a big butt and thongs, Look, see, these ones here are probably going to be my favorite out of all of them. They're cotton. I love it. Look how nice they are. Very sturdy. These are so cute. Look at that. So cute and Christmassy. And my third pair. This is probably one of my most favorite subscriptions that I get every month. I always get excited when I see the envelope in the mail. And it's not makeup. I'd probably get excited about food too. But food subscriptions are expensive. But look how cute. So these are kind of like silky, which I love these as well. And again, oh my God, these are so cute. Aren't they cute? And yeah, the quality is great. So if this is the first time you've ever seen my video, I will leave their link down below. I don't have an affiliate code. There's no coupon code. Like I said, I pay $12.46 every 3 months. Or every month for my panties. You can't even walk into Licenza and get, 3 pairs of panties for $12. You know what I mean? Unless it's like a huge sale or something like that. But most normally, you're not getting that, right? I also want to say that the day that you sign up is the day that you'll get charged every month afterwards. So it's not like, other subscription boxes where I can sign up for Boxy on the 15th of the month and get charged for the next box. Winter, what are you doing? On the 1st of the month, it's not like that. So like if you sign up today or tomorrow or the 1st of the month, you'll get charged, if you sign up today, which is the 30th, you'll get charged on the 30th of January for your next pair. That's the way it works, right? So I believe I signed up on like the 18th or the 19th, and that's when I get charged. And then a few days later, it gets shipped to you. So it's not like it comes out the first of the month. It's when you get charged, a couple days later, it gets shipped out to you. That's the way it works. But these are my cute Christmassy Knotty Knickers. I freaking love these. Oh my goodness. I love these. These are going to be so comfortable. I love them. I'm a comfortable panty girl. I already know that these are going to make me feel all sexy. And these ones here are freaking adorable. Look at that for Christmas. That's amazing. And they always have themes as well. You can check out the website and see, you know, what theme panties they have. I think they have Christmas themed this month. And then, you know, Valentine's Day, they'll have something cute. They had something cute Halloween. So, yeah, that's it, everybody. That's my Knotty Knickers. Please don't forget to like my video. I will see you tomorrow, New Year's Eve, my live, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Please remember, I am going to be picking the winner of my $25 Sephora gift card tomorrow night. That video is going to be down here. I mean, you know, the 2 or 3 girls that signed up, you girls got you got a really good chance. That's it, everyone. I'll leave those videos down here, but my giveaways, I'll see you tomorrow evening at my live, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto, and bye. Have a good day.